Hi guys. Ano yun? Hello. Hi guys, we're about to go to Bangkok. Asa mo? Bakit? Oh. Ayan, nag-vlog din pala sila. Hi, welcome back to our channel. Papunta tayo today sa Bangkok. So, yan ang airplane pala natin guys. The yellow one. Yan.
Parang minion nangihi.
Hello guys.
Hello.
The minions. Ayan. So, boarding na kayo guys. Kanina pa kayo dito sa no?
I guarantee it.
Oh, thank you. So, ayan. Let's go to Bangkok.
I'm gonna do opera.
Hello.
Oh, kita ka ni? Ano man?
Oh, yeah. Sponsored by Han. Ang number natin, 90. Ikaw?
Aritas na nga. Silang daw pasudlad.
Guys, huwag na maglalis guys. Oo, sige. Exchange seats sila kasi gusto ni ate sa window.
Thank you very much.
Then daddy is here. On the other side.
First time functioning.
Ayun.
Only our second time and it's functioning so well.
So, let's wait others to
Parang
board.
sila.
Pat.
Parang ang biglang face ko.
Later. Yung kabig sabi.
Took the train.
Parang kapoy sila ate.
Kapos sila ate, baka kanina pa yung umaga.
Yeah.
Sabi ni patatired daw yung mga faces ng
Yeah, it's so
cabin crew.
evident.
Maybe kanina pa yun.
Maybe.
Early morning sila nag-flight. It's 12 noon. Kasi yung ano natin 12:30. No? Yeah. For sure. So, tawag doon? See you in Bangkok.
Our ground staff at the airport. On behalf of Skyco Airlines, Captain Pana and his crew would like to say thank you for flying with us, and we look forward to seeing them soon. We hope you have enjoyed this flight. Have a pleasant stay and goodbye.
And so, welcome to Bangkok, guys. Welcome to
Hello,
Thailand.
sering ng ning kanya sa
just
may
arrived,
berangki
guys,
kung
here
subibutan
in
sa bakal tadala
Suvarnabhumi
kasyatan.
Airport, International
Wali na
Airport.
balog ni ay tayo ba na bancholig tabun. Rasan balog niya. May pahinga kang kayo wali som chuka tumne tumnong chumul bangkalak pamraga na brain chan ha. Sambap hiyo da trakaro te chumdoy som chuka sa ching biyon ha kalgi. Samakan. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please be informed that upon your arrival at the airport, your baggage is able to climb at baggage belt number 1414. If you have problem in claiming your baggage, please contact our ground staff at the airport. And for the passenger who require wheelchair, please kindly disable the aircraft at last. Thank you.
So, again, welcome to Bangkok. We're now in Suvarnabhumi International. We just landed, guys. Saan mo yun nakuha ito?
My ghost sa camera pa.
Yeah, my ghost. Ghost.
I'm the new ghost.
My ghost. Ghost. While waiting to the
Also,
plane.
baka they're going out now. Can we go?
Yes, and we're moving. So guys, ayan, sumakay tayo or dito tayo sa Bukal later dumaan going to immigration. Ayan yung dalawa kabilang Bukal later. So going to immigration, and then after kuha tayo ng ating luggage, and then going to the hotel. So yun guys, ang ganda ng nila guys, airport Let's Comac Island. Ang ganda ng mga advertisements. So ayan, may mga arrows where you want to go. This on arrival, transfer to this, get to arrivals. Connecting flights with hotel thingy. And di kayo malilito kasi marami silang signboards on where you need to go. Ayan. May mga SIM cards if you want. So, ang lawak at ang laki ng kanilang airport. Diba, Day? The airport is so biggy. So, from the anong tawag yun? Arrival na malayo ang lalakarin, guys. Going to the immigration. And then, may duty free din. And marami ng tao. May kasabayan na kami. Kanina yung mga kasabayan ng Hugis ay nauna nang naglakad. So, ayan. Kalito tayo again. Ayan. So, hello guys. Welcome back again. And dito na tayo sa ating hotel guys from the airport kanina. So we're here. So medyo natagalan tayo kasi matagal sa immigration, then nag-taxi, train, then sa taxi, Grab. Nag-grab kami going here from train guys. So ayan, dito na tayo. And ito, ipapakonect kami. Please connect. Thank you. Alex, get up.
Sorry.
Thank you. So this is our room. Ayun, ipapakonect natin kay Kuya. Kasi dalawang bed ang binigay sa amin sa kanila. Okay lang naman na maghiwalay. 2 rooms pala tayo. 2 rooms kami ni Mr. at yung sa mga bata. So other room sila pero hindi kasi gumana yung kanilang key card, so hindi sila makapasok sa ating. Tinignan ko yung labas guys. So hindi sila makapasok sa kanilang room. So pinaayos ni Daddy, bumaba si Daddy at i-ano niya yun, ipa-activate yung key card. So ayan. And kanina bumili pala kami ng, while Kuya is nag-ayos ng ano. At syempre guys, mango sticky rice when in Bangkok. Kasi nag-crave ako kaya bumili na rin kami. So ayan, that's it later. Ayan. So ayun guys, nag-charge kami. Ayun, thank you, na-close na. And ayos na rin yung ating beds. So naging twin bed. It's okay lang. Small down bathroom, ayan. Pero yung mga parang hindi masyadong hinog, pero okay lang guys, as long as matamis, because I'm so craving for this. I-open mo yun. The sticky.
Mango sticky rice first. I cannot open.
Okay. Hala, katamis de eh. Uy, tamis kayong mangga de. Guys, ikot natin. Kala ko hilaw, pero super tamis, promise. Harap. Asan ate? Masarap yan, yung sauce niya.
Sauce.
Ay, grabe si ate kung makakain. Ito naman guys, yung sticky rice. With the sabaw tingi. Parang may salt yung ano nila sabaw, hindi yung super tamis. Kasi ay, ang tamis na ng ano.
Oo.
Yung puto niya.
Yeah.
Yum. Harap. Salty and sweet. But ito, super tamis ng ano, mangga do.
Really?
Ang
Yang pag ganit na. Super.
kalak mahilaw.
Looks hilaw, but wow.
Tawag Indian ang sosok bang niya.
Sarap. No, see?
Ang sarap.
There's magic, right?
Super nice view. Reminds me of the Singapore view.
Yan. Wow, grabe. Nag-ano talaga. Nag-craves. Sticky rice.
Oh,